In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Windows 10 using a USB flash drive. Whether you're upgrading from an older version or setting up a new computer, this step-by-step guide will make the process swift and straightforward. First, open your favorite search engine and type in Microsoft Software Download. When you see Microsoft Software Download in the results, go ahead and click on it. This will direct you to the official Microsoft Download page. Once you're on the page, look for the option labeled Windows 10. Click on it and this will take you to the section where you can create installation media. You'll see a button that says download now. Click on this button and the tool will download. You can usually find this file in your downloads folder, locate it and double click to run the file. If you receive a user account control prompt, click yes to proceed. Next you'll be asked to accept the license terms, read through them carefully and click accept to continue. Now select the option that says create installation media, USB flash drive, DVD or ISO file for another PC and hit next. You'll then need to select your preferred language, the edition of Windows 10 you wish to install, and the architecture, whether 64-bit or 32-bit. Once you've made your selections, click next. You'll have two choices for media type, a USB flash drive or an ISO file. If you choose the USB option, make sure you have a USB drive ready with at least 8 GB of storage. Insert the USB and let the program detect it. Click next and follow the on-screen instructions which will guide you through the creation of the bootable USB drive. The tool will start downloading Windows 10 and then proceed to create the bootable USB drive. This part can take a while depending on your internet speed, so patience is key. Once this process is complete, you'll have a bootable USB drive containing the Windows 10 installation files. Now, insert the USB drive into the PC where you want to install Windows 10, restart the PC and as it's booting up, press the key that will take you to the boot menu, commonly F2, F10, F12, DL or ESC depending on your PC. In the boot menu, select the USB drive as the boot device and press enter. The Windows setup screen will load. Here, select your language, time and keyboard input, then click Next. Click on Install Now to start the installation process. At this point you might need to enter a product key, or you can choose I don't have a product key to proceed and activate later. After choosing the correct Windows 10 edition, click Next, then read and accept the license terms again. Opt for Custom, install Windows Only, Advanced when prompted. You'll want to select the unallocated space and hit Next. Windows will begin the installation and your PC will restart several times. Remember, do not remove the USB drive during the installation until the process is fully complete. Once installed, follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup. Windows will finalize settings and soon load the desktop. That's it. Your Windows 10 is now installed, ready for you to configure as needed.